Hello kids, I'm Captain Nick and today we are going on a vegetable ride. Do you know which vegetable is this? It is just like a cauliflower but its color is different. It's green in color and it's called broccoli. What's its name?
Broccoli.
Look, there comes our next vegetable, which just looks like leaves and it is called as cabbage. Cabbage. And this is the one which looks like a flower and its name is also cauliflower. Kids, what is its name?
Cauliflower.
This is known as bacteria. Here comes the next one.
Aye, Captain.
This is also a kind of a cabbage, but it is called a Chinese cabbage. It is also green in color, just like the other cabbage. Do you know which vegetable is this?
Yes, Captain. It is the lettuce.
Yeah, very good. You have a good idea about the vegetables. And this one is scallion. Yes, scallion. You can pronounce in many ways, but I prefer this one, scallion. So kids, remember. Oh, here is the rucola. This is also leafy. Do you know what is this vegetable called? It is celery. And here is the spinach. We can use it in the salad. It is very good for health. This one just looks like the called leek. So kids, it's leek. Here comes the other cabbage, but due to its color, it is red in color, it is called as red cabbage.
Oh my, Captain. There are so many vegetables and that also green in color. Now, which one is this?
This is parsley. I know kids, you're very much confused, but they all have a different shape, so you can remember it if you try. Like this one. This is the basil. And do you know which vegetable is this?
Yes, Captain. I know it. My mother cooks it very well. It is the asparagus.
Wow, Kiara, you have a good idea. Now, who can tell me which one is this? I can give you a hint. It is sprouts.
It is Brussels sprouts.
So, kids, do come back for more videos and please like and subscribe.